Join me as I try to turn a small amount of money into a fortune using the magic of compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful tool that can help anyone grow their wealth, and I'm excited to dive into the details. It's crucial to understand how it works, and I'll explain why it's essential for anyone looking to build a secure financial future. Let's talk about some common misconceptions when it comes to saving and investing. One of the most significant myths is that saving small amounts won't make a difference. People often think, what's the point of saving $10 or $20 a month? It's not going to add up to anything. But the truth is, every little bit counts, and those small amounts can add up over time. Another misconception is that investing is only for the wealthy. Many people think that they need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not true. You can start investing with as little as $100 or even less, depending on the investment vehicle you choose. Some people also believe that they're too old or too young to start saving and investing. They might think, I'm in my 20s, I've got plenty of time to worry about that later, or I'm in my 50s, it's too late for me to start building wealth. But the truth is, it's never too early or too late to start. Every year counts, and the sooner you start, the better. Finally, there's the myth that saving and investing are boring and complicated. People might think that they need a financial degree to understand how to invest their money, but that's not true. With a little bit of knowledge and patience, anyone can learn how to save and invest effectively. So, how does compound interest work? In simple terms, compound interest is the interest earned on both the principal amount and any accrued interest over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering speed and size as it goes. The magic of compound interest lies in its ability to generate exponential growth over time. Let's take an example to illustrate this. Suppose you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%. At the end of the first year, you'll have earned $50 in interest, making your total balance $1,050. In the second year, you'll earn 5% interest on the new balance of $1,050, which is $52.50. As you can see, the interest earned in the second year is greater than the first year, even though the interest rate remains the same. This is the power of compounding in action. Another way to think about it is to consider a scenario where you invest $100 per month for 10 years, earning an average annual return of 7%. At the end of the 10 years, you would have invested a total of $12,000. But the actual value of your investment would be over $19,000. That's the power of compound interest at work. Let me share a compelling scenario to illustrate the dramatic impact of compound interest. Imagine two investors, Alex and Ben. Alex starts investing $500 per month at age 25 and continues to do so for 10 years, then stops. Ben, on the other hand, waits until age 35 to start investing the same $500 per month, but continues to do so for 20 years. Who do you think will end up with more money at age 55? Believe it or not, Alex will have more than $1 million, while Ben will have around $600,000. The difference? Alex started earlier and took advantage of compound interest. So, what are the main takeaways about compound interest? It's essential to understand that every little bit counts, and starting early can make a huge difference in your financial future. Don't believe the myths that saving and investing are only for the wealthy or that it's too complicated. If you've had any experiences with saving and investing, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more financial tips and tricks to help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.